Is your V8 engine misfiring or vibrating strangely when you are cruising on the highway? Or maybe it feels like it is stuck in full power mode when it should be saving gas. You are likely looking at code P3447, which is for cylinder 6 exhaust valve control circuit low. This sounds complicated, but it is part of the cylinder deactivation system found in many modern American engines, like the Hemi found in Ram trucks or Dodge Chargers. To save fuel, your engine can shut off 4 of its cylinders when you do not need full power, effectively turning your V8 into a V4. It does this using special solenoids that control oil pressure to the lifters, keeping the exhaust valves closed. This code specifically tells us that the computer tried to shut off cylinder number 6, but the electrical signal coming back from that solenoid is too low. The computer monitors this constantly, and if it sees an issue, it will disable the fuel injector for that cylinder to protect the engine, which is why you feel that nasty misfire or vibration. The severity here is moderate to high, because driving with a dead cylinder or a valve that is not opening correctly can cause internal engine damage over time. The symptoms are usually a check engine light and a noticeable drop in fuel economy because the system creates a failsafe and stops switching to 4-cylinder mode. Now, what causes this? Believe it or not, the number one cause is your engine oil. This system relies entirely on oil pressure to work. If your oil level is low, or if the oil is dirty and full of sludge, it can clog the tiny passages in the solenoid. Before you buy any parts, check your dipstick. If the oil is low, top it off and clear the code to see if it comes back. If the oil is fine, the next culprit is the solenoid itself or the wiring. These solenoids sit right on top of the engine, under the intake manifold in many designs, and they get very hot. The heat can make the plastic connectors brittle or cause the wiring insulation to crack. You need to inspect the connector for cylinder 6 specifically, looking for corrosion or loose pins. If the wiring looks good, the solenoid itself might have failed internally. A multimeter can check the resistance in the solenoid to see if it is still good. If you're not comfortable removing the intake manifold to get to these solenoids, this is a job for a shop. But remember, strictly following your oil change intervals with the correct viscosity oil is the best way to prevent this code from ever coming back.